Good morning. Good morning. I've been walking around this morning looking like this, starting to cook for Thanksgiving, and it is just about time to just get rid of this off of my head. Last night I put a lot of plaits or braids in my hair, and I rolled them on sponge rollers, and they were not uncomfortable at all. So this is what I look like. And now I'm going to take these out. And hopefully I don't have to take the braids out as well. I'll just wear those braids in my hair for the day. And see, we're just going to see what it looks like. And then I'll make a decision. I think regardless, I'm just going to leave it in until tomorrow. And then I'll take it out and see the results. Nowhere to go today that I can think of. Did my shopping for everything that I need this week. I think if I do think of something else I need, I'll just tell my husband and he'll go get it. He's just that kind of guy. Okay. I should have just rolled this part coming forward and just let it hang. I'm going to use one of these goodie clips to hold this back. And this is my hairstyle for today. This is how I'm going to wear it. Yes. It's not the ideal hairstyle, of course, but it's good enough for the house. You guys have a great Thanksgiving. I'm going to continue cooking. Remember who I am. I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, family, and I love my followers and subscribers. And now, during this Thanksgiving season, I am just grateful for all that God has blessed me with. And you have been a blessing to me. Have a great day. I didn't like it, so I'm going to mist my hair with this water. And I said I should have rolled it down this direction. And so I am going to take a little bit of this mousse. Put it on there. Try one of the biggest rollers that I have. And I am going to roll this under. And I will be back later after this air dries just to show you what it looks like. And there's one in the back that's acting crazy. I'm just going to throw that in with this one. And hopefully this comes out like I want it. Probably like the one on the back, on this side, on the left side, where I really like it. So hopefully that works out for me. That's what I'm hoping, that I have that. Because I think I like this hairstyle. And I may not take it out tomorrow. I'm going to be at home, so why? I'll come back to let you see just what it looks like.